Hello, how's it going? So today I find out when you do cost analysis, you actually can set up sources. So for example, like this, I did this first one. This is like well, ignore the labels, like hide the labels. So for those points, they're all equally important. And I use cost distance to calculate like cost rasters. That's basically what that is. And then once I have that, then you're able to um, get the results. So you can also get these allocation ones. So it's basically where the area that is most close to like this point. Where I have the least cost to go to this point. Um, So once you have that, one thing I want to emphasize is for the cost distance, you can actually give source characteristics. For example, all these points are sources, right? You can choose field, and then when you choose field, for example, like in this distance one, I have another field called importance, okay? Because not all the points have the same importance. So you can apply if I change this to this destination. So see here, you can apply importance on it, okay, and then start to calculate cost distance. The results will be different. What this does is, if the importance is high, it will multiply the cost that go to this destinations. Well, or start from the sources. That's basically what that means. So, which means to get this source, you will it's harder. That's basically what that means. So you can see the difference. Like let me just cancel the cost and let me just show you the labels. So I have this distance one. You find out if they're all equal importance. You know, this was cost distance like. But if I assign this importance down there, you find a change. See here, it did have some changes. Okay, what I find out the change is when it's see, especially this area. You see here, this area, not so much here, but you can see the 7 too. When the well, the green, which means is really low cost. So the cost will get higher when there's higher numbers around it. Okay, especially this 7, you'll see what's around 7 or change a little bit. Um, okay, the same with this allocation thing. You'll find out this previously. Just look at a 1. See this number 1. Previously number 3. See here, this area they cover a lot, but since this is 3, which is so much higher than 1, um, which means the cost to go to 3 will get higher, so the coverage should be lower. So if you check here, right now I see this blue area is getting so much lower, and 1 just all the way down here. Okay, that's what I mean. Thanks.